Hey guys, so today we're gonna review the NEEWER 77-inch DSLR tripod. This is a 2-center axis. Alright, it did come with a box, but I already unboxed it. Alright, so you can see this is a strap, shoulder straps, and comes with the phone handle thing. Okay, right here, and this is a tripod. So this we've got the manual book, the guide, and we've got one Allen key. All right, and here we go. So this is kind of lightweight. Yeah, the leg all aluminum made. It does have somehow this kind of latch. The lock is in plastic though. Okay, you can see the foot as well has some kind of pointy thing. Okay, it's gonna be great in soil. All right, so yeah, basically, so you'll have this like that, this pouch thing. So something like that. So here you have to lock it, and this thing is in bubble wraps, so you have to remove those bubble. Yeah, I like the sound. Yeah. It's good. Okay, we've got a little pouch. All right, so yeah, this is basically what the head looks like. So this is a bowl head. You can see it has the thing right here, and we've got also this. I believe this thing, it does comes out, so you'll have to remove it like this. So you unscrew this and this comes out. Okay, now about this thing right here, you can grab your DSLR camera and attach it using this thing, and yeah, this thing is really nice. So you have to lock it. Okay, and yeah, well, okay, so this is a bowl head, guys. So you'll have to use this lock mechanism right here to unlock it, and it can do vertical as well. You can see it goes 360 degrees, and then so you have to center it using this map thing right here. So there's a dot when this thing comes in the middle. Okay, so that's when you know you have centered, you have positioned it, the correct way. And yeah, it got this little locking mechanism, so you can lock it, okay, whatever form that you'd like. In the back, we've got the weight bags and like that. So this thing does comes out. Okay, you can use this tripod as a monopod as well. So this thing, if you have a sandbag or just a bag to apply the weight, okay, to your tripod. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how long this thing is. So you have to unlock this like that. Okay, and then this gets stretched. Okay, so you have to do this for all of 3 of them. Alright, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how tall is that. How tall is a 77-inch? Yeah, so next all you gotta do is to close it right here. Just close. And also this one, yeah, it does have a nice handle right here. Okay, right here it has this foam of a handle. Very good. So now I'm extending all the legs. Right here you have to attach the sandbag. This thing, it does get, okay, so it looks like this, but now if you want to extend it, so you see guys how tall this thing is. Let me show you. Damn, look at that. My god, I'm like 6 foot. Alright, but yeah, this thing is really tall. Oh my god. Yeah, so this thing as well, it does, you can stretch it as well. You can use this lock mechanism to further extend it, like however you want it. You can do macro shot as well, macro shooting, videography, photography. Overall, this thing does looks great. Surely I would not use this thing to all the way. Alright, so yeah, and yeah, so this thing you can rotate it, and as you see it rotate. You can do vertical shots as well. And guys, so yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna leave down below a link down in the video description where you can buy it with a coupon.